In last class, we studied about some basic terms like class, class limit, class interval, range, midpoint. What is midpoint? Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. Suppose upper limit is 10, lower limit is 5. 10 minus 5 divided by 2. That one is the midpoint. Okay. These things we studied in last class. Now we can go to one example and we can study about that example. Okay. Exclusive series. Excluding upper limit on the class, all the items of the class are included itself. Example, you can see here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. It is excluding, means you can see here 0 and 10. We are not including 10 in this class. Suppose the one student, we are taking 10 students mark. One student mark is 9, another student mark is 10. Then in which class we will include? We will include this 10 in this class. Okay, in this class we will include. Okay, that one is the exclusive class. Then here you can see 20, where it will come? In this class, 20 to 30. In this class 20 will come, 30 will come in this class. Okay, then we are excluding that upper limit. That one is the exclusive series. Okay, means upper limit of the class we are excluding upper limit of this class. That one is the exclusive class. Okay, means we are not including that upper limit. That one is the excluding exclusive series. Okay, next one is inclusive series. Here you can see 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Inclusive series means upper class limit of classes are included in the respective classes. Means in this class itself it will include. That one is the inclusive series. Means 0 to 9, 9 is the upper limit. That upper limit included in this class, that one is the inclusive series. Here you can see 10 to 19. In this one upper limit is 19, that one included in this class. 20 to 29, that one is upper limit, that one included in this class. That one is the inclusive series. Okay, next one, open-ended classes. The lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last classes are not given. That one we are calling as open-ended classes. Here below 20, like that, they are not mentioning like 0 to 20 or 10 to 20, like that, not mentioning. That one is the open. Here ending also 50 and above, any value can come. Above 50, any value can come. That reason we are calling it as open-ended class. Okay, next one, cumulative frequency series. It is obtained by successively adding the frequency of the values of the class according to certain law. Okay, then cumulative frequency, two type is there: less than cumulative frequency distribution and more than cumulative frequency distribution. The frequency of each class internal are added successively. That one is less than cumulative frequency. The more than cumulative frequency is obtained by finding the cumulatives of totals of frequencies starting from highest value. Suppose highest value is 100. From that value we will calculate the cumulative frequency. That one is the more than cumulative frequency. Here one example is there. Is class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of students 2, 5, 10, 12, 17, 4. Here marks less than 10, less than cumulative frequency we are finding, then less than 10, it is, we know between 0 and 10 how much is the value, 2. But second class it is 20, means less than 20 means within 10 also we will include. Here it is 5 is there, we will add this 5 plus 2. Okay, then what is the value? 5 plus 2 here, then less than 20 means 7. Okay, then here it is 10. Okay, then here already less than 20 means it is 7. Then less than 30 means 10, 5, 6, 7, 20, every values will come. Then already here it is 7. 7 plus 20 to 30, how much is there? 10. Then 10 plus 7, 17. Okay, then next one 17 plus 12, 29. Next one 29 plus 17, 46. Next one 46 plus 4, 50. This is the method to find out the less than cumulative frequency. Means first value same, second value 5 plus 2. Okay, third value 10 plus 5. Next value 12, sorry, mistake came. Then 0 to 10 first value 2, 10 to 20 it is 5. Okay, then here we are adding 5 plus 2, it is 7. Next step 20 to 30 we need to add this 7 plus 10. Okay, already we got 7, that 7 plus 10, 17. Next step 17 plus 12, 29. 29 plus 17, 46. 46 plus 4, 50. This is the method to find out the less than cumulative frequency. Next one, more than cumulative frequency. In that one, we need to find out more than 0. More than 0 means 10 will come, 20 will come, 30 will come, 40 will come, 50 will come, 60 will come. Then what we need to do means we need to add this total. We need to take this total. We need to add these numbers 2, 5, 10, 12, 17, 4. Then total is 50. Then more than 0, first number is 50. Okay. Then next step, we need to reduce this second more than 10 means we need to reduce from this 50, we need to reduce this 2. 50 minus 2, 48. Next step, 48 minus 5, it is more than 30, more than 20 means we need to take the lower limit. Here we need to more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50. Okay, in third step, we need to take more than 20, then 48 minus this 5. Okay, 48 minus 5, 43. In next step, more than 30 means 43 minus 10, 33. Okay, next step 33 in 40 to 50, more 21 minus 17, we will get 4. Okay, then 50 minus 2, 48, 48 minus 5, 43, 43 minus 10, 33, 33 minus 12, 21, then 21 minus 17, 4. Okay, this is the step to find out the more than frequency. Okay, then or class midpoint. Here you can see class and frequency in this table. Lower class limit is 0. This is the lower class and this is the lower class. 0, 10, 20, 30, these are the lower class. And upper class, what is the upper limit? It is, upper limit is this part. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, these are the upper limit. Then how we can find out the mid value or class mark? this 10 minus, how we can find out? Upper class limit plus lower class limit. Upper class limit means 10 plus 0, 10. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Here 10 plus 20, 30, 30 divided by, then this is the equation. Class midpoint or class mark we can find out through upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Okay, then here 20 plus 30 we know 50, 50 divided by 2 class mark or mid value is 25. Here 30 plus 40 70, 70 divided by 2 35, 40 plus 50 it is 90, 90 divided by 2 45, 56 plus 50 plus 60 110 divided by 2 it is 55, 60 plus 70 130 divided by 2 65, 70 plus 80 it is 150 divided by 2 it is 75. Here 80 plus 90 on 80 plus 170 divided by 285, 90 plus 100 190 divided by 2 it is 95. This is the method to find out the class mark or midpoint. Then we studied inclusive class intervals and exclusive class intervals. Okay, if this 10 also coming in this class, we can call it as inclusive class intervals. This 20 coming in this class, then inclusive. If 30 coming in this class means it is inclusive. Exclusive means this 10, here you can see here also 10, here also you can see the 10. Then we will take this 10 in this second class only, that one is exclusive form of class interval. Here you can see in this table it is 800, 899, 900, 999. In this table 899 is taking in this number as 50. Okay, if it is 899 then it will calculate in this class. If it is 999 it will calculate in this class. Okay, if it is 1099 then we will calculate in this class. Okay, then if it is 1199 we will include in this class. Okay, if it is 1299 we will include in this 40. If it is 1399 we will include in this class. Okay, that one is the inclusive and exclusive class. Now we can study about adjustment in class interval. Suppose class is like this, inclusive and exclusive, like these classes are there, then how we can adjust the value as same. Okay, we need to bring same values in this upper limit and lower limit. How we can do that one we can study in next class.